Welcome to our channel, where we inspire future billionaires to achieve their dreams. Today, we're sharing the ultimate guide to building wealth and getting rich. This framework has been used by millionaires and billionaires who have achieved financial success. So, let's dive into the 12 steps that will help you on your path to financial abundance. Number 1. Reverse engineer and plan. That's right, reverse engineering your goals is a powerful strategy. By breaking them down into smaller, actionable steps, you can create a roadmap towards success. Take the time to analyze what needs to happen and identify the key milestones along the way. By doing the math, you can determine the specific actions and resources required to achieve your desired outcome. This process not only provides a clear path forward, but also helps you understand the feasibility and challenges you may face. With a well-thought-out plan in place, you can stay organized, focused, and motivated as you work towards your goals. Remember, success is built on careful planning and taking consistent action. Number 2. Educate yourself and develop skills. Continuous learning and skill development are essential on your path to getting rich. Take the time to educate yourself about your industry, study successful businesses, and learn from the experiences of others who have achieved wealth. By acquiring knowledge, you gain insights into best practices, strategies, and trends that can give you a competitive advantage. However, theory alone is not enough. It's crucial to put that knowledge into practice and develop your skills through hands-on experience. Embrace opportunities to apply what you've learned, experiment, and refine your abilities. By combining knowledge with practical skills, you'll be better equipped to navigate challenges, adapt to changing circumstances, and seize opportunities for growth and success. Remember, education and skills are the foundation upon which you can build your wealth. Number 3. Consistent hard work. Embrace the grind and commit to working hard every single day. Hard work is a fundamental ingredient for achieving wealth. It's important to embrace the grind and commit to putting in the necessary effort every single day. Success is not an overnight phenomenon. It's the result of consistent and focused hard work over time. This means staying disciplined, dedicated, and resilient in the face of challenges and setbacks. Remember, there will be days when you feel tired or discouraged, but it's during those moments that your commitment to your goals truly shines. By staying focused and putting in the work day in and day out, you'll build momentum, gain valuable experience, and inch closer to your dreams of financial success. So, keep pushing forward, stay disciplined, and let your hard work pave the way to riches. Number 4. Take action and move the needle. Don't just stay busy, focus on tasks that move the needle and make progress. Taking action is a critical step on your journey to wealth. However, it's not just about staying busy. It's about focusing on tasks that truly move the needle and make progress towards your goals. It's about taking decisive actions that contribute to your overall vision of success. Rather than getting caught up in busy work or minor tasks, prioritize activities that have a significant impact on your business or financial growth. These actions may include launching a new product, implementing a strategic marketing campaign, or forging key partnerships. By consistently making progress and keeping the momentum going, you'll create a sense of accomplishment and build the foundation for long-term success. So, remember to take action and focus on tasks that truly move the needle towards your financial goals. Number 5. Delegate and outsource. That's right, as you progress on your journey to wealth, it's crucial to recognize that you can't do everything on your own. This involves identifying tasks that can be delegated or outsourced to others. Surrounding yourself with talented individuals who can handle repetitive tasks not only lightens your workload but also allows you to focus on your strengths and the core aspects of growing your business. By leveraging the skills and expertise of others, you can optimize your time and energy, giving yourself the freedom to focus on strategic decision-making and higher-value activities. Remember, building a strong team or outsourcing to reliable professionals enables you to scale your business and achieve greater efficiency and effectiveness. So, don't be afraid to delegate and outsource as you aim for financial success. Number 6. Analyze and improve. As you strive for financial success, it's essential to constantly evaluate your business and industry. Take the time to understand what's working and what isn't. Study successful businesses within your field and beyond, and extract valuable insights and strategies that align with your own goals. By staying informed and adaptable, you can make informed decisions that drive your business forward. Embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, always seeking ways to refine your processes, enhance your offerings, and stay ahead of the competition. Remember, success is not stagnant. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving journey. So never stop analyzing, learning, and improving to ensure your path to wealth continues to progress. Number 7. Save to invest. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on liabilities, redirect it towards investments that generate cash flow and appreciate in value. Shift your mindset from merely acquiring material possessions to building a portfolio of income-generating assets. Think of these investments as money-making machines that work for you, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Whether it's real estate, stocks, bonds, or other investment vehicles, choose wisely and diversify your portfolio. By prioritizing investments over material possessions, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success and passive income streams that can support your desired lifestyle. So, remember to save diligently and make strategic investment decisions to secure your financial future. Number 8. Reinvest in your business. As your investments grow, it's crucial not to neglect the foundation that brought you success in the first place. Allocate a portion of your profits to reinvest in your business, whether it's for research and development, expanding your product line, improving operations, or adopting new technologies. Stay attuned to market trends and consumer demands, adapting your business strategies to remain competitive. By reinvesting in your business, you're fueling its growth and ensuring its sustainability in the long run. Remember, innovation and continuous improvement are keys to staying ahead of the curve. Number 9. Find a mentor. A mentor is someone who has already walked the path you wish to tread and can offer invaluable guidance based on their experiences. Look for individuals who have achieved the goals you aspire to achieve and whose values align with your own. A mentor can provide a fresh perspective, offer advice on critical decisions, and share their wisdom to help you navigate challenges more effectively. They can also serve as a source of motivation, accountability, and inspiration as you strive to reach your full potential. Remember, learning from those who have already succeeded can significantly accelerate your own growth and development. Number 10. Build your network. Surrounding yourself with a diverse and talented network can provide numerous benefits. It offers opportunities for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and mentorship. Your network can introduce you to new ideas, resources, and potential business partnerships. Additionally, being part of a supportive community can provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability. Actively seek out networking events, industry conferences, and online communities where you can connect with individuals who share your ambition and can contribute to your personal and professional growth. Remember, your network can play a crucial role in opening doors and creating opportunities for success. Number 11. Leverage your contacts for opportunities. By pooling resources, knowledge, and connections, you can engage in larger deals and ventures that might be beyond your individual capacity. Your network can provide valuable insights, introduce you to key players in your industry, and help you access untapped markets or customer segments. Additionally, collaborating with others within your network can lead to joint ventures, strategic partnerships, and shared resources, which can significantly enhance your business's growth and impact. Remember, networking isn't just about making connections, but also about actively engaging with your contacts and leveraging the collective power of your network to create opportunities for yourself and others. Number 12. Plan your exit strategy. Planning your exit strategy is a crucial component of long-term business success. While building and growing your business is important, it's equally important to have a plan for the future. Planning your exit strategy involves thinking about how you can eventually transition out of your current business and move on to new ventures or enjoy the fruits of your labor. There are various options to consider when planning your exit strategy, such as selling your business, passing it on to a family member or successor, or even taking it public through an initial public offering (IPO). It's essential to carefully evaluate these options based on your personal goals, financial objectives, and overall market conditions. Having a well-thought-out exit strategy ensures that you maximize the value of your business and create a smooth transition for yourself and any stakeholders involved. Additionally, planning your exit strategy early on allows you to make strategic decisions and take actions that will increase the attractiveness and value of your business to potential buyers or successors. This may involve strengthening your management team, diversifying your customer base, implementing robust systems and processes, or enhancing your intellectual property portfolio. By proactively preparing for your exit, you position yourself for a successful and lucrative transition when the time comes. Remember, the goal of planning your exit strategy is not only to secure financial freedom but also to pave the way for new opportunities and ventures. It allows you to explore new passions, invest in other businesses, or even enjoy a well-deserved retirement. So, as you build your business, don't forget to envision your exit and create a plan that aligns with your long-term aspirations. Remember, this journey to wealth and success won't be easy. You'll face challenges and setbacks, but don't quit. Stay focused, disciplined, and dedicated to your goals. If you follow this framework, you'll increase your chances of achieving financial success. So, how badly do you want it? Let us know in the comments which step of the journey you're currently at. Stay committed, and we'll see you on the path to success. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Give this video a like and also share it with family and friends. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial future.